Come back to the to the file system watcher. The last time we talked about using FS to watch changes in our folders and file. Today we'll be going a little bit further by using a package chokidar. And before we go into that, we're going to look on how to like create multiple files using FS before we go deep into chokidar. So stay tuned. I hope you enjoy it. So first of all, in our last video we set up a file the tiers which we use to watch our changes in our files. But today so I'm going to create this folder, back folder. So also in the last video I told you we would find a way to modify these messages. So I'm going to start my code to run. Oh, sorry, I need to go to the root folder, cd s watcher. So there. So what we are going to do in this video is to watch multiple files or multiple folders. So first of all, let's see how we can actually modify these messages. So if I create a file here and say file.txt and I change the file here, okay, so something is wrong. So yeah, I commented this out. So yeah, so you see there's a change. Welcome to the watching for change in folder. So we can change folder here, and you see file.txt was created in change. So the change is the event type here. So we can actually modify this our message by the message we are getting here. So we can say if event type equals to change, right? So we can say something like console log, yeah. So the file name has been changed. Yeah, so if event type is to rename, so we can have console.log so this file name has been renamed. So for the optical completion, I'm using a copilot. So yeah, so right now if we go in and change this file here, you see message, the file.txt has been changed. So we will change it, we will rename this to files. So you see the files been renamed. So you see this is how it work. So for us to read a multiple, now if I want to read a multiple folder here, I put this in an array. You see we get an error. So how do we do this? So I'm going to create another file path called file2 folder 2, right? So I'm going to call it folder 2. So we're going to look through this folder here. So we're going to look through this folder using the for loop. So let's say let I equals to 0, then I equals to 0. So I'm going to create this this folder 2, folder 2. So equals to 0, then let's I is less than folder path dot length I plus plus. So what this would do is loop through the array, right? It's gonna loop through the array. So so we can actually do something like cons folders equals to folder path I. So I'm going to console log, I'm going to like comment this place here and console log the folder so that we would see dot folder, so dot folder. So we'll see our folder here. So you see our folder 1 and folder 2, right? So what we're going to do here is copy this code here, line of code, and paste it here and rename this to folder. So you see the error has gone and is watching for change in folder and folder 2. So yeah, so if I make a change here, let me just name it change.txt. now you see file change.txt has been renamed, it has been created. So let's change it. You see, so it's reading for both files, it's reading here, and let me create a change to here .txt. also is reading for change to .txt here. So now there's an easy way to do all this yeah, by using this the package called chokidar. So you're going to embed install chokidar. It's also a package to read file and folder, so we're going to have it installed. Yeah, so pretty much it has installed. So what we are going to do here, pretty much we are using file.watch. So I'm going to comment this out. Yeah, I'm going to comment this out, and I'm going to create another folder here. I won't get confused. So I'm going to say packages folder. So now when we come to this place, we are going to import chokidar from chokidar. Now we are going to create a watcher. We are going to call it chokidar.watch. Now we need a folder, right, that we can watch here. So we can create a path to this our path. But the good thing about chokidar is you can create a single folder, or you can create an array of folder, so you don't need to loop through. So what we are going to do is, this is a packet folder, so we are going to create another folder called package folder 2. So create the file path like we always do, folder path. So let's create a folder path, and we make it a package folder. Then we have package folder 2. Now .watch is expecting an argument, so we just going to pass our folder here. Then we do a little bit configuration, then we got to like persistent to be true. Now we need to watch .on. Then we need to add here. Now when it's it is add, we create the message, create a path and the message for it. So we create the path and the message for it, and we just say console the log. Please pardon my co-pilot, and we just say file. There is a path has been added. Yeah, so that's what we'll do here. So we can also add here, then if it's changed, now when the file is being changed, we're going to get a message of the path here, and we're going to console log. I'm just going to copy this here and paste it here, has been changed. So the next thing, we're going to get it on when it's been deleted. So we don't call it deleted, we call it an unlink. When it's been unlinked, so we would create the file path, then it has been removed or deleted, so whatever you want to say, so removed. So yeah, we're going to just console in message dot on, then we can just to ready, and see, okay, just say console.log. Okay, sorry, I'm going to use Copilot to complete this. Yes, watching in my message part. So we're going to watch for the error that on. Gonna watch for errors. So error. Okay, I'm gonna. Oh, sorry, error. Then we are going to console log and say watching error. So okay, so nothing is really happening here. So what we are going to do, I'm going to increase this a bit so that you will see. So what we are going to do here is import it, into our entry level. So we just import the dash. So you see, watching for change in folder, package folder, package folder 2. So if you make any change and say hello.txt, so you see file package folder 2 hello.txt has been added. So okay, package, so let's rename this here. See, has been renamed. Okay, file package to hello.txt has been renamed and added. So it has been renamed. So if we delete here, see, package folder 2 hello.txt has been removed. So that is how you use the chokidar to watch folders and also file. So if you want to explore more on this, you can go to the official npm package and read the documentation on chokidar and practice more. So see you on the next one. Please like, share and subscribe. If you have any message, please drop it down in the comment section. Thank you.